moving averages. Moving averages is constantly changing line that smooths out past price data, allowing for an easier identification of support and resistance. Fibonacci retracement indicator. Fibonacci retracement indicator is a favorite tool among many short-term traders because it clearly identifies levels of potential support and resistance. Support and resistance reversals. A previous support level will sometimes become a resistance level when the price attempts to move back up, and conversely, support and resistance reversals. A previous support level will sometimes become a resistance level when the price attempts to move back and conversely, a resistance level will become a support level as the price temporarily falls back. It means this is support, this is resistance, support, resistance. Sometimes a resistance level when the price attempt to move back. Support and resistance reversals. A previous support level will sometimes become a resistance level when the price attempts to move back. Conversely, a resistance level a previous support level will sometimes become a resistance level when the price attempts to move back conversely, and conversely a previous resistance level will become a support as the price temporarily falls back. Price charts allow traders and investors to visually identify areas of support and resistance, and they give clues regarding the significance of these price levels. More specifically, they look at number of touches. The more times that the price tests a support, or resistance areas, the more significant the level becomes. When price keep bouncing off a support or resistance level, more buyers and sellers notice and will base trading decisions on these levels, this level, these levels. Volume at a certain price level. The more buying and selling that has occurred at a particular price level, the stronger the support or resistance level is likely to be. This is because traders and investors remember these price levels and are apt to use them again. When strong activity occurs on high volume and the price drops, a lot of selling will likely occur when price returns to that level, since people are far more comfortable closing out a trade at the break-even point than net loss. Next, we look at time. Support and resistance zones seen in longer time frame charts as longer time frame charts such as weekly or monthly charts are often more significant than those seen in shorter time frame charts such as the 1 minute or 5 minute chart. Some investors dismiss support and resistance levels entirely because they say that the levels are based on past price moves, offering no real information about what will happen in the future. But all of technical analysis is based on using past price action to anticipate future price moves. Reliability of support and resistance. The support and resistance lines are only indicative of a possible reversals of prices. Reliability of support and resistance. The support and resistance lines are only indicative of a possible reversal of prices. They by no means should be taken for certain. Like anything else in technical analysis, one should weigh the possibility of an event occurring based on patterns in terms of probability. Finally, the support and resistance levels are key concept used by technical analysts and form the basis of a wide variety of technical analysis tools. The basics of support and resistance consist of a support level, which can be thought of the floor under price, and a resistance levels which can be thought of as the ceiling above price. The prices fall and test the support level, which will either hold and the price will reverse to the upside or be violated, and the price will drop through the support and resistance, likely continue lower to the next support level. Determining future levels of support can drastically improve the returns of short-term investing strategy because it gives traders an indication of price declines where price declines are likely to halt. Conversely, foreseeing a level of resistance can be advantageous because it will alert traders to be vigilant as price approaches this area for a likely reaction in price. As mentioned above, there are several different methods to choose when looking to identify support and resistance. But regardless of the method, the interpretation remains the same. The trader is looking for an indication that the price of a security will likely to react in a certain manner as it approaches and it touches a recognized price level. Thank you to all.